We all know the sky is blue. But why? The atmosphere around the earth, which is a layer around the earth that is helping us to survive, which contains mostly of 78% nitrogen, 20% of oxygen and 2% of other gases, is also contains with some of the particles that are dust, pollen, sand from sandstorms and pollution. The white light comes from the sun, which is, I'm not trying to be racist, but the white light which comes from the sun, because the sun is in white color. The natural color of the sun is in white. You can see it in the middle of the day. That's the proper color of the sun. You may remember the white light is composed of colors: rainbow, which is VIBGR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. When light enters into raindrop, it spreads in the colors and you can get the colors of rainbow. The way your eye and your brain works, the sensor of eyes and the rods and cones, where the rods give you the shades which are different. Yes, the rods helps you to see the shades and the cones helps you to see the colors. We have 3 cones, which are red cones, green cones and blue cones. We call it RGB cones. In your eyes, your chemicals in retina splits the red light into combination of red, green and blue. If you have more red than other colors in it, may looks like red, but if it is blue, then it looks like more blue. White light comes to earth from sun. The particles in atmosphere, some of them are the same wavelength of the blue light wavelength, and the particles in the atmosphere which are same with blue light wavelength, they reflect the light, so the light enters into the atmosphere. The particles which are having blue wavelength, they splits the blue light into the atmosphere, so the sky looks in blue, or the visible sky becomes blue color. They scatter the blue out of the sunlight in sense in the every direction, so the sunlight has selectively has blue removed in its path. This is called Rayleigh scattering, and you can have the blue sky. It's called, the sun gets lower in the atmosphere, the half length of light is longer through the air, and the thickness light passes through the atmosphere gets more blue, because the layer becomes thick and the sky becomes more blue and the sun becomes more red, as the remaining color is red. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Follow my socials.